Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We are going to be doing something a little bit different today. I am going to be taking some inspiration from Kaylee Ellen's Rare Plant Index and making a Hoya difficulty index. One of you guys actually reached out with this idea way back when I was making the top 5 beginner-friendly Hoyas and like the top 5 difficult Hoyas to avoid. And one of you guys reached out and pretty much asked for a video of my collection sort of from least difficult to most difficult. And I thought that the idea was amazing, but I kept procrastinating because I was like, no, that's gonna take forever. I don't think that I can sit down and make that sort of video again because the last time that I made one of those, I'll link it up here, it took absolutely forever. I want to say I was on the floor for like 2 hours. My legs fell asleep. It was just not a good time. It was not a good time filming. It was a really fun video and I know that a lot of you guys enjoyed it, but I figured that I would make a video sort of in a format in which I show you guys a plant and sort of give it like a 3-word review and order it from least difficult to most difficult. I'm not going to make this video ridiculously long and I'm shooting for under 5 minutes because I think that for beginners, having all of this information in one video is a little overwhelming and I figured that this would be a little bit easier for you. I also am going to be sort of cutting this up into parts. This video right now is going to be the beginner-friendly plants. 25 beginner Hoyas. Super easy. I feel totally comfortable recommending these to beginners. I even think that I would feel comfortable recommending some of these to people that actually don't even really own plants because I think Hoya are just so ridiculously easy. Like some of them you can ignore for days, some of them you can overwater and they might be okay if you just kind of switch their soil. I don't really think that they're as difficult and finicky as some people may think. I think it just depends on the species and that's why I wanted to make this video today. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get right into it. Starting off with the first plant, Hoya Carnosa. Everyone needs this. Hoya pubicalis, cheap, easy, splashy. Hoya australis, basic, green, easy. Crimson Queen, easier than Princess. Obovata, speckly, quick and accessible. Mirabilis, velvety, splashy, unique. Britannica, incredible freaking sunstress. Carmelet, cute tiny Brittany. SPF Brittany, super flower crazy. Croniana, super silver, easier than Lacunosa. Cystiantha is thin leaf heaven. Parviflora, insane splashy arrows. Verticillata, aka Wibergier, quick purple splash. Obscura, easy, veiny, resilient. Rebecca, cheaper, tiny abs. Rangsan, can totally ignore. Eligiorum, insane red flowers. Comengiana, growth pattern annoying. Memoria, kinda hard to root. Pentaphlebia, leaf inconsistency annoying. Matilde, can throw tantrums. Neocaledonica, don't overwater. Finlaysonii, too many types. Callistophylla, can get spots. So yeah, that is 25 Hoyas in 3 words in order from least difficult to most difficult. You guys probably need every single one of these if you are an amateur. I think that there's a pretty good variety in here and they're just really easy to care for. You can ignore them, you could be a busy nursing student and they won't die on you, or you can be like a little helicopter mom and they still won't die on you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave some suggestions down below. Leave any comments that you wish to make on this sort of video in this sort of format, and let me know if you guys are looking forward to more of these. But that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!